this place will be chosen for letter. That should be written very big. Okay, you have to write, if you are writing capital A, you will write capital A. If you are writing small a, you will write small a. If you are writing cursive, write big. Whatever the letter you are introducing, okay, capital A, very big, this much of portion you will write. This will you will utilize for date. Okay, date and a date. Okay, and for the picture, if you are writing A for apple, okay, if you write A for apple, draw the pictures very nicely. Okay, and you have to make one smiley face for each and every picture. Okay, apple, and for your reference, I will say that if you are writing axe, okay, like this, you can just you can draw anything. Axe, arrow is also one thing which you can draw. Okay, arrow is also thing you can draw. Like this in the board, any minimum 5 pictures you have to draw. You have to practice at home. For each letter, 5 pictures you have to draw. And in this, you have to write the letter's name also. Apple, okay, axe, arrow, while you are writing, okay. Then you will say the children. These are the names: A for apple, A for axe, A for arrow. Then you will take one color chalk piece. See children, these all letters are starting with A. Then with the color chalk, you will circle these letters, such that they represent, they come to know that these pictures are starting with these letters. Okay, this part will be like this. Then when you are writing, after in the interview also, if they ask you to introduce a letter, you will introduce with a bold letter. You no need to write these two. If they ask capital, you will write capital. If they ask small, you will write small. If they ask cursive, you will write cursive. Okay, after that, while writing the line, you should draw a straight line. Okay, maybe mine also touch चले गया है कोविड की वजह से. Okay, this is the straight line you have to draw, and while you are writing, this will be the top red line. Okay, and this is bottom red line. Okay, okay, and this is second blue line. And this one will be first blue line. Okay, you remember when you go, don't say red 1, 2, 3, no. Top red line, first blue line, second blue line, and bottom red line. When you start to the children, when you are explaining also, you will say, for children, you will start from the top red line, slanting line, one more slanting line, and sleeping line on the first blue line. Sleeping line on the first blue line. Okay, this is the way you have to. If you are writing, suppose if you are writing cursive letter B, I will show you how to write. See, cursive letter B always, children, cursive letter B start from the second blue line always. Then second blue line, slanting line, loop, come down, touch the second blue line, make a curve, go up, make one baby curve, and end with the tail touching the first blue line. This is cursive letter B. Okay, now most important thing is you have to know the phonic sound of it. A says A, B says B, C says K. Now while writing, you have to say open curve. C is in between the blue line, right? You have to write it is an open curve. C says K. Okay, most probably you will be getting confused in curve and closed curve. While you write small d, it will be closed curve. Children, you have to write like C. Go up, touch the first blue line, come down, make one closed curve. Okay, when you write capital R also, standing line, make one closed curve, then one baby slanting line. Okay, and when you write cursive letter X, when you write cursive letter X, children, all the cursive letters starts from the second blue line. So, from the second blue line, you make one reverse curve. Then go up in the same line, go up. Now write like C, and the tail ends little above the second blue line. This is what small cursive X you have to write. In the same way, each and every letter with a proper line formation, with the proper formation of labeling the line. Top red line, bottom red line. When it comes to, wait a minute. When it comes to P, how you will write? P is the letter, cursive P is the letter where you will touch all the 4 lines. Just before I ask one of the students to write F. F you have to write, see here, slanting line, loop, come down, touch the bottom red line, one more loop, go up, make one baby loop and tail ends touching the first blue line. This is cursive letter F. Okay, and when it comes to P also, see here, slanting line, here loop doesn't come. Slide slanting line down, go up in the same line, make one open curve and end with a tail. This is cursive letter P. When it comes to K also in the same way, see slanting line, loop, come down, touch the second blue line, go up, make one closed curve, then one baby slanting line and end with a tail. This is cursive letter K. This is the way you have to write cursive letters, and all the cursive letters start from the second blue line. These kind of things you have to explain them, make them right. You practice yourself lots of time. Why? Because in the interview you make, just I saw Shanti also doing mistake writing capital M like this. This is not M. Capital M, always you have to touch the 3 lines, again go up. In the same way, capital W also, standing line, go up, again all the things here also I have written wrong. See here, capital F, all you have to make slanting lines. Small f, in the same way, all slanting lines, no straight line for capital F. This is wrong. This kind of minute errors there was. When you write M, it will be straight, but when you write W, it should be slanted. You think that why BAM is stressing this simple things also too much, but this is the beginning where we have to inculcate the children within a basic thing. Okay, abhi hum shuruaat kar rahe, we are starting, so their basic should be very, very, very concrete. So let us put effort in learning ourselves in a right way. If you don't know, you cross-check yourself. Because it is a recording says that when you go enter in the class, children are over here. You say, come on children, hands up, hands down. Once again, hands up, hands down. Wriggle your fingers, fast, 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 fast. Bring it slowly down, 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 down. Then clap your hands, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, like that. Otherwise you say, shake, shake, shake your hands once, twice, thrice. Shake, shake, shake your hands slowly, slowly, slowly. Now fast, fast, fast. Then shake, wave, wave, wave your hands like that 1, 2, 3, 4 times like that. Then no, then go stretch your hands. One, a man is stretching, no, you also will stretch your hands. Now fold your hands, finger on your lips. Now everybody settle down, calm, quiet. Even Shaira ma'am also will be quiet. Come on, you also will be quiet. Then everybody will calm down. Then you can start up with your day. Okay, today what day? Okay, Monday. Is it so? No, yesterday was? Okay, yesterday was Sunday. We are on holiday, no? Yes. Just chill out with that kind of a thing. Afterwards, you can let our brides be both there. Na? Let us take chubby cheeks only. When you say chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, no. It should not be. It should be deliberately. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips. Where is the teeth? Show me your teeth. Teeth with it. Curly hair. Show me your curly. Boys don't have hair. Slow. Come on. Curly hair. Very fair. Do you look fair? Do you look fair? Come on, show me your face. Yeah, like that. Means children should understand what is the rhyme with this. When they show with action, chubby cheeks, dimples, always they will be saying. But exactly what it is, having a fairy face means you should be very much good in looking, right? This is what we have to groom the children. Early morning, wake up early in the bed and nicely you dress up yourself. You should be fair. You are looking fairy. You take few names, children. And one more thing, when you introduce letter A, you can take the names of the children. Hey Akshara, your name starts with A. Hey Akash, your name starts with A. In our class, no, 5 children are there whose name starts with A. You can see the register and you can just follow. This is the way also you can make the children, instead of going for apple, 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 boring. Instead we go in some other way, like A for your children, your friend's name is this. The children also will come to know that in our class, oh, by this letter, this child is there. Got it? This is like a different mode. different kind of thing. But when you go to other schools, you will get a projector. There you can show n number of formations, pictures, letters, rhymes, everything, which you have to pre-fold and you have to do a documentary and save it in your system, and you can just project them for 15 minutes. Nowadays the system is going to change. It will not be 45 minutes class. 15 minutes we have to take to projector room. From there we have to bring the children. 10 minutes will be written for, and last 10 minutes will be for orals for each subject. English will be like this, Maths also will be the same way, and Hindi also will be the same way. Apart from this, they have co-curricular activities we have to send for the peers. We used to follow like that only. But because you should also know, we are taking online classes for our children. We are conducting pre-board, we are conducting celebrations, all the things we are doing from the school, means from the home itself. But all the children are participating actively. So you people also should know this basic knowledge, which it is very important for your interviews. If they ask, this should be the pro forma, and better you just practice this lines first, drawing lines first.